What if I told you there's one simple food sitting in your refrigerator right now that could quietly be the key to maintaining your strength, independence, and vitality as you age? Before you dismiss this as just another health claim, I want you to hear me out, because what I'm about to share is based on solid science, not hype. We've all heard about so-called superfoods like sardines, the ones everyone claims will keep your muscles strong and your body young. And yes, sardines have their benefits, but there's something far better, more accessible, and more practical than any expensive supplement or fancy fish. It's a food so ordinary that most people overlook it entirely, yet it holds the power to protect your muscles, sharpen your mind, and help you age strong instead of frail. The truth is, as we grow older, our bodies face a silent challenge called sarcopenia, which simply means the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. This process starts quietly in your 30s and 40s, and by the time most people reach their 50s or 60s, they start to feel it. Climbing stairs becomes harder, carrying groceries feels heavier, and even standing up from a chair can take more effort than it used to. It's not just getting older. It's your body signaling that your muscles are shrinking. And when your muscles weaken, everything changes. Your balance suffers, your metabolism slows, your risk of falling increases, and your independence begins to fade. But what if I told you that you can fight back naturally from your own kitchen? No expensive supplements, no complicated diets, no harsh routines. The secret lies in something humble yet incredibly powerful: eggs. Yes, those simple everyday eggs that sit quietly in your fridge may be one of the most complete and affordable sources of muscle-protecting nutrients on Earth. The protein in eggs has the highest biological value of any food, meaning your body can use almost all of it to repair and build muscle tissue. Each egg provides the perfect balance of amino acids your muscles crave, especially leucine, the amino acid that acts like a switch to turn on muscle growth. Think of protein as the raw material for building, and leucine as the signal that tells your body to start the work. 2 eggs in the morning can provide enough leucine to trigger your body's muscle repair systems, something that becomes more and more vital as you age. And here's something most people get wrong. The nutrition isn't just in the white. The yolk, that golden center many people throw away, is where the real magic happens. The yolk contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, vitamin B12, choline, and selenium, along with healthy fats that support hormone balance and brain function. Choline keeps your muscles and nerves communicating properly, while vitamin D and healthy fats help your body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. These nutrients don't just protect your muscles, they help you stay steady, coordinated, and mentally sharp. For decades, people were told to avoid eggs because of cholesterol fears, but research now shows that dietary cholesterol has little effect on your blood cholesterol. In fact, eggs can raise HDL, the good cholesterol that helps clear harmful fats from your bloodstream, making them a heart-healthy choice when eaten in moderation. The truth is, eggs aren't just safe for older adults. They're one of the best foods you can eat for overall strength and longevity. Let's talk practicality for a moment. Eggs are affordable, easy to cook, gentle on digestion, and available almost everywhere. You can scramble them with vegetables, boil them for a snack, or add them to salads or soups. 2 to 3 whole eggs daily are safe and beneficial for most healthy seniors. They're not only simple, they're sustainable, fitting easily into any lifestyle or budget. And when you combine regular egg consumption with light resistance training, even simple exercises like lifting small weights or doing bodyweight squats, the results are remarkable. Together, they don't just slow muscle loss, they can reverse it. Your metabolism gets stronger, your balance improves, and your energy levels rise. Because muscle isn't just about appearance, it's your body's engine, regulating blood sugar, supporting bone strength, and fueling your everyday life. Now, while eggs are the heroes of muscle preservation, they're not alone. There's another secret most people overlook: tiny seeds that can protect your muscles just as powerfully as fish. For years, the spotlight has been on salmon, tuna, and sardines as the only sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support muscle health. But what if I told you that plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds can compete with fish in preserving muscle strength and fighting sarcopenia? These small, inexpensive seeds contain ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that your body can convert into the powerful forms, EPA and DHA, that fight inflammation and improve muscle cell function. And while critics used to say this conversion was too low to matter, new research shows that when eaten consistently, plant omega-3s work beautifully to support muscle quality and strength. Flax and chia seeds deliver thousands of milligrams of ALA in just a spoonful, while hemp seeds also provide complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. They not only feed your muscles, they also reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar control, and strengthen your heart and brain. Even more amazing, they're shelf-stable, affordable, and easy to use. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them in smoothies, or add them to yogurt. You'll be giving your body natural anti-inflammatory protection that keeps your muscles resilient and ready. Scientists have found that people who regularly consume flax or chia seeds recover faster after exercise, have lower inflammation markers, and maintain higher muscle quality with age. Think of these seeds as nature's quiet armor, tiny but mighty. They rebuild your body from the inside out. And if you combine eggs and seeds in your diet, you're giving your muscles the perfect combination: high-quality protein from eggs and anti-inflammatory omega-3s from seeds. This duo helps your body repair, protect, and rejuvenate every single day. But we're not done yet. There's one more hidden key that most people never talk about when it comes to muscle preservation. And surprisingly, it comes from carbohydrates. I know what you're thinking. Carbs? Aren't they bad for you? Not all of them. There's a special kind called resistant starch that behaves very differently in your body. Instead of spiking your blood sugar and being stored as fat, resistant starch passes through your small intestine undigested and feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut. This process produces short-chain fatty acids that lower inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and improve how your body uses insulin, all of which are critical for muscle maintenance as you age. Foods like green bananas, beans, lentils, cooked and cooled potatoes, oats, and rice are some of the best sources of resistant starch. And here's the interesting part. When you cook rice or potatoes and then cool them, their structure changes, creating more resistant starch. That means a simple potato salad or overnight oats isn't just convenient, it's muscle-friendly fuel. When your blood sugar stays stable, your muscles receive a steady stream of energy instead of facing the highs and crashes that lead to fatigue and weakness. Resistant starch also helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, meaning the protein and vitamins from your eggs and seeds work even better. This combination, protein from eggs, omega-3s from seeds, and steady energy from resistant starch, is a blueprint for staying strong, active, and independent for decades to come. And here's the beauty of it. You don't need expensive powders, supplements, or complicated meal plans. Just simple, natural foods, easily found in your kitchen. A few eggs, a spoonful of seeds, and a serving of resistant starch-rich foods can transform how your body feels, moves, and ages. Imagine waking up in the morning with energy, walking up the stairs without struggle, carrying your groceries with ease, and looking in the mirror knowing you're stronger than you were last year, not weaker. That's what's possible when you feed your muscles the way they were designed to be nourished. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can mean wisdom, resilience, and power if you take care of the engine that moves you, your muscles. So the next time you open your refrigerator, don't underestimate what's sitting there. Those simple eggs, those tiny seeds, and those humble starches hold the secret to your lifelong strength. Your body is capable of renewal at any age. It just needs the right tools. Start small. 2 eggs in the morning, a sprinkle of seeds at lunch, some beans or cooled potatoes at dinner. Within weeks, you'll feel the difference in your energy, your balance, and your confidence. The changes are subtle at first, but they build quietly, giving you back control over your health and independence. Because strong muscles don't just help you move, they help you live. So choose foods that work for you, not against you. Choose strength. Choose vitality. Choose the power of simple habits that support your body from the inside out. This is how you age on your own terms, with purpose, power, and peace. And if this message inspired you today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Together, let's build a community where aging is not about slowing down. It's about rising stronger every day.